BondHawk Trader automates allocation. Instead of spending your time grinding out manual calculations, you can fully allocate orders or do a complex what-if scenarios at the touch of a button. We have an opportunity to buy this New York City Transit bond, and we need to act quickly. How much can we buy? This modeling ticket has a portfolio group containing 11 different municipal bond portfolios. Let's do a what-if. How much should we buy and for which portfolios? We'll limit this bond to a maximum of 1% of any portfolio. Now hit Model and all of the calculations are done. The 3 portfolios highlighted in yellow cannot accept this bond. We click Constraints to see what the problem is. The first portfolio is California only. The second only buys short-term bonds. And the third rejects any security with less than $50 million outstanding. Click the Report button to generate the order details, both in aggregate and for each individual portfolio. You can print, email, or save this data to file, depending on your firm's order flow. Submit the order or simultaneously submit and fill it. Now let's change the scenario a bit. We've been offered up to $1.5 million of this security and need to determine if we can take it all. Of course, the same 3 portfolios will reject it. Click Report and immediately you confirm that you can indeed accept all $1.5 million. So you can pull the trigger on the trade and allocate it. Built-in fail-safes that you control protect you from violating portfolio parameters, firm rules, and industry regulations. For example, each individual portfolio in this group will reject anything that is not a muni. Constraints can be as basic as restrictions against negative cash or low-rated bonds, or as sophisticated as ones designed to maintain a portfolio's duration, asset mix, etc. Even the more extensive constraints are easy to create using filters with non-technical language. There is no practical limit to the number of filters you can use for a single portfolio. Here's a filter for corporates from US banks with duration between 10 and 30 years and an S&P rating below AA. And here's our exposures to securities meeting that definition in some corporate portfolios. We invite you to learn more on BondHawk Trader. Watch the video on our cutting-edge rebalancing technology. It demonstrates how BondHawk Trader lets you adjust portfolio composition on the fly for compliance or strategic purposes.